Hello guys and gals, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Keeping our homes tidy brings joy, and that joy extends to every corner of our living spaces. This includes our hardworking washer, which often goes unnoticed, but it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Before we start, please take a second and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Our washing machines, for instance, tirelessly clean our clothes day in and day out. They deserve a little TLC to keep running smoothly and efficiently. Over time, detergent residue, dirt from our clothes, and even mildew can build up inside. This buildup can lead to unpleasant odors and even affect the performance of the machine. Yuck! Regular cleaning of your washing machine ensures fresher laundry, brighter whites, and a longer lifespan for your appliance. It's a simple task that can make a big difference. Plus, it just feels good to know your clothes are being cleaned in a fresh and sparkling environment. A clean machine not only performs better, but also contributes to the overall cleanliness and hygiene of your home. So, take a few minutes each month to give your washing machine the care it needs. Use a cleaning solution specifically designed for washing machines. And don't forget to wipe down the door and gasket. Many modern machines even have a self-clean mode, making the process even easier. By maintaining a clean washing machine, you ensure that your laundry routine is as effective and pleasant as possible. Cleaning your washer drum is easier than you think. Start by choosing a cleaning agent. You can use a store-bought washing machine cleaner or opt for a natural solution like white vinegar or baking soda. Next, select the hottest water setting on your machine and the largest load size. Add your chosen cleaner to the detergent dispenser or directly into the drum. Let the washer run a full cycle. Many people don't realize their washing machine has a filter, which is often hidden behind a small door or panel at the front of the machine. This filter plays a crucial role in catching lint, hair, and debris that come off your clothes during the wash cycle. Over time, these particles accumulate and can clog the filter. A clogged filter can restrict water flow, leading to longer wash cycles, poor cleaning performance, and even error messages on your machine. In severe cases, it can cause damage to your washing machine, resulting in costly repairs. The filter is usually located at the front of the machine behind a small door or panel. It's important to check this filter regularly to ensure it remains clear and functional. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location and instructions for your specific model. The manual will provide detailed steps on how to access and clean the filter. Once you've located the filter, carefully remove it. You might find it covered in lint, hair, and other debris. Use a soft brush or cloth to clear away any visible debris. Rinse the filter thoroughly with warm water to remove any remaining particles. Make sure it's completely clean before replacing it back into the machine. Regular maintenance of the filter can extend the life of your washing machine and ensure it operates efficiently. Maintaining your washer's shine. Keeping your washing machine in top condition not only ensures it runs efficiently, but also extends its lifespan. Once you've deep cleaned your washer, keep it fresh with a few simple habits. Regular maintenance is key to preventing issues and keeping your laundry smelling fresh. Leave the washer door slightly ajar between uses to allow for air circulation and prevent mildew growth. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your washer odor-free. Wipe down the rubber gasket around the door after each wash to remove any lingering moisture. The gasket can trap water and detergent residue, which can lead to mold and unpleasant smells. Finally, don't forget to clean the exterior of your machine. Dust and grime can accumulate on the outside, making it look less appealing and potentially affecting its performance. Wipe down the control panel and door with a damp cloth and a mild cleaning solution. This helps to remove fingerprints, smudges, and any detergent spills that may have occurred. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a clean and efficient washing machine. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your washer remains in excellent condition, providing you with clean clothes for years to come. A little effort for a lot of reward. Cleaning your washing machine may seem like a chore, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Regular cleaning ensures fresher laundry, a more hygienic washing environment, and a longer lifespan for your appliance. By incorporating these simple cleaning practices into your routine, you can enjoy the satisfaction of a sparkling, clean, and efficient washing machine for years to come. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.